Are you tired of your Ubuntu system crawling to a halt? Let's supercharge your performance by reclaiming precious RAM. First things first, identify the RAM Hogs. Close any applications you're not currently using, like those hidden in the background or consuming resources when every bit counts. Next, delve into your system monitor. Look for resource-intensive background processes. You can often identify and kill them through this monitor. If they're causing unnecessary delays, be careful not to close anything vital for your system's health. Research first. Many users keep applications in the system tray. These can unexpectedly eat up your RAM. Close non-essential applications or close the applications from the system tray. This is often overlooked, but can free up significant resources and improve performance. Now, let's adjust swap settings. Swap space acts as virtual RAM depending on your setup. Consider adjusting swap settings to a more moderate value, or even creating a swap file partition if you don't have one already. However, this is an advanced step, so research this before making changes. By closing unused apps, managing background processes, and tweaking swap settings, you'll breathe new life into your Ubuntu system and unlock its full potential. That's your key to a faster, smoother experience.